Do you own a great mirrorless camera but still struggle to capture video the way you want? Maybe the footage feels shaky unless you bring a tripod or gimbal. Shooting in 4K and 8K sounds great until you're dealing with stabilization, color grading, and hours of unedited footage sitting on your hard drive. What if a compact bundle could solve that problem while offering creative features your mirrorless simply can't? In case we haven't met, hi, I'm Belinda. I've been photographing for over 20 years, and these days I primarily shoot with my Canon R5 and Sony A7 IV. But when it comes to video, I've avoided carrying a gimbal for years. And I don't always have time to set up a tripod for fast-moving travel scenes and candid moments. Heavy video editing beyond this YouTube channel often gets pushed back. So when Insta360 approached me about their Ace Pro 2 paired with their new bundle accessories, which transforms what used to be an action cam into something that actually feels like a real camera, yet still smaller than my smartphone, I was genuinely curious. They gifted me the bundle in exchange for an honest review. So in this video, I'll share my real-world experience after intense use of this camera, the pros, the limitations, and who this system truly makes sense for. Stay until the end. I'll tell you which accessories I use the most often and which are actually worth investing in. So let's dive in. Let's start with the grip, which is the main reason I wanted to try this camera in the first place. I was never interested in action cams. I'm used to holding a camera in hand, not mounting something on a bike or helmet. But once the Xplorer Grip Pro is attached, everything feels different. You get a proper shutter button, a balanced grip, and a form factor that feels much closer to a real mirrorless camera. Yet it remains incredibly compact, even smaller than my phone. And that changes how you use it. After just a few days of learning the settings, I brought it to my Maui trip in Hawaii and ended up shooting the entire trip with this camera, rain or shine. I'll link that video below so you can judge the footage for yourself. Since then, I've been carrying it every day, simply because I love how it feels like a real camera. The flip spring hood is a fun addition. Shooting at chest or waist level feels more discreet and gives it that subtle, vintage, old-timer vibe. If ergonomics and shooting habits matter to you, the grip is what truly sets this system apart from typical action cams. This might be the biggest factor. The camera itself fits in my pocket, most of the accessories, 3 extra lenses, an extra battery, a lens cleaning brush, the mic cover for underwater use, etc., fit into a small pouch about the size of my phone. The entire external mic system fits neatly into a cute round case the size of a lens cap. Add a mini tripod and the whole bundle still fits comfortably inside my crossbody PGY Tech rope bag, the one I carry for everyday use when not traveling, still with plenty of room left. However, when I take my mirrorless setup out for a hike, it's a backpack. I think about which lens to bring, whether I need filters, if I should carry a tripod. It's preparation. With this camera, I just grab and go. And because of that, I document more life. Walking, driving, shopping, sightseeing, from morning to evening, it literally becomes my best companion. If you've ever avoided shooting video because it felt like too much effort, this totally removes that barrier. With mirrorless cameras, high-quality video usually means shooting log, which also means color grading, larger files, and more time in post. I've had years of footage sitting unedited simply because I didn't have the time or energy to go through that process. When I received this camera, I immediately bought extra filters and tried shooting in iLog. But after testing the built-in color profiles and importing the footage to my computer, I realized I could skip log entirely in most situations. In my Maui short film, over 90% of the footage came straight out of the camera. with no color grading. And that's huge. It makes finishing projects realistic. You can also sync clips to the cloud and organize them through Insta on desktop or the Insta360 mobile app. As someone who relied on Adobe Lightroom for over 15 years to manage photo files, I've always found video organization frustrating. This feels simpler and more streamlined. If workflow friction has been stopping you from making videos, the combination of solid built-in color and dedicated file management tools makes a real difference. And if you'd like me to share my preferred settings and favorite filters, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to cover that in my future video. Now let's talk about durability. I've used this in rain, on snorkeling trips, during whale-watching boat rides, and on bumpy ATV jungle drives. Would I risk my full-frame mirrorless in those conditions? Probably not. Would I bring my DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Also no. It's simply not built for that. This bundle gives me peace of mind. The fact that it's waterproof up to 12 meters makes it far more versatile than most compact video cameras. If you travel in unpredictable weather or around water, that's a real advantage. There are many things that this system does that my mirrorless cameras don't offer. For example, face priority mode is surprisingly useful for vlogging. It subtly brightens and smooths skin. As someone who doesn't naturally vlog, this makes me more comfortable being on camera. The gesture control saved me when I lost my shutter button. I could easily start and stop the video by just raising my hand. The built-in mic with wind guard performs really well, even in high wind conditions on coastal walks.
We hiked here many times, and there are two major hiking trails, one on the west, one on the north, which is where we are right now.
Boat or ATV rides.
Where are we going?
I didn't feel the need to attach external mic. Double click zoom is incredibly fast and convenient. And the built-in 2.35 to 1 ratio for both photo and video simply makes everything more cinematic. These aren't about replacing mirrorless quality. They're about creative experience, making the process easier and more enjoyable. And sometimes that's what keeps you shooting. Now, let's talk about the limitations. The Ace Pro 2 uses a 1/1.3-inch sensor, which is a lot smaller than full-frame or APS-C mirrorless sensors. And the camera offers pure shot and pure video modes for enhanced low-light photo and video output. But if you primarily shoot professional photography and shoot in low light, full-frame mirrorless camera wins clearly. For those of you who prefer to shoot in iLog and color grade your own footages, you can shoot in 8K or high frame rate, such as 60 or 120 frames per second. The bigger difference is the lens style. The standard lens is extremely wide, about 13 millimeters full frame equivalent. And the ultra-wide option goes even further. That means very deep depth of field. Almost everything is in focus. If you love shadow depth of field and strong subject background separation, this won't give you the same look as fast lens on mirrorless or DSLR. If you're used to professional mirrorless cameras, and you will notice the shutter response is slower here. There's a slight delay when pressing the shutter, which can mean missed moments for sports, street, or fast-moving subjects like kids or animals. That's one reason I use this primarily for video rather than candid documentary-style photography. Because the system is compact and modular, small parts can be easy to misplace. I lost the mic insert and a shutter button when taking the camera in and out of my pockets. Adjusting settings on a small screen also takes some practice. I often have to take off the flip screen hood in order to make changes on the screen. And that's the trade-off for portability. You gain size and convenience and give up some physical control space. After everything I've shared, here's how I see it. This is for photo or video enthusiasts who want a lighter, easy way to document travel, family life, or everyday moments without complicated setups like gimbals or tripods. It's ideal for busy hobbyists who want to actually finish video projects without spending hours color grading or organizing files. It's also great for vloggers. Phased priority mode, strong built-in audio, and the compact form factor make it discreet and comfortable to use in public. And if you primarily use a smartphone but want a more intentional, real camera experience with better stabilization, durability, and creative control, this can be a meaningful step up without jumping straight into a full professional setup. For most photo or video enthusiasts, the Xplorer Grip Pro bundle is the right place to start. It's the piece that turns this into everyday camera experience. And for travel, daily documentation, or casual visual work, that alone is enough. And if you're planning to vlog, especially traveling solo, add a mini tripod. Most mini tripod works as long as it has the standard 1/4 screw thread. But the Insta360 version gives more height and flexibility, yet folds down compact. It's co-designed with PGY Tech, a brand I personally trust and have shared many times. If you travel with family or friends and want something fun and interactive, the pocket printer is genuinely a highlight. It's not about commercial quality prints, but about fun, joy, and memories. And sometimes that matters more. There you have it. This bundle isn't about replacing a mirrorless camera. It's about a different kind of experience. Small, lightweight, easy to use, footage that looks good straight out of the camera without heavy setup or complicated post-production. And that changes behavior. It makes you document more, not just epic trips, but everyday life. It makes you more willing to press record, show up on camera, and actually finish and share your projects. Let me know in the comments, are you mainly photo first and looking to simplify video, or are you focused more on video creation? And if you like a deeper dive into my settings and workflow with this system, I'm happy to share that next. Thank you so much for watching, and keep documenting what makes you feel alive.